Hi everyone. If you're a Gmail user and have been wanting to change your Gmail address but do not want to create a new Gmail account, then I have a very good news for you. Google now allows Gmail users to easily change their email addresses without creating new accounts. You just need to go to this page on your Google account and enter a new username over here. And if the new username has not been taken, then you should have a new Gmail address for your existing account right away. Alright, so let me just show you the whole process step by step from the beginning. First, open any Google app, such as Gmail, YouTube, or Drive on your web browser or on your mobile phone. Click or tap your profile picture, and then click Manage your Google account. On your Google account page, click Personal Info, and then click Email. Under Google Account Email, click your current email address. Then if asked, enter your Gmail password and you will be brought to this page. Now click Change Google Account Email, and you should be brought to the page that I showed in the beginning of this video. Alright, so before you enter the new username, please take note of the following. First, and most importantly, changing your Gmail address won't affect your existing data in your Gmail and all other Google apps you're using. Secondly, instead of completely being disassociated from your Google account and be made available for a new account creation, your previous Gmail address will be saved as an alternate email and can still be used to sign into your account. You will also still be able to receive emails sent to that address. So basically nothing is destroyed. You just give your existing account another address. And lastly, you can only do this once in 12 months. Alright, now let me just enter the new username for my existing Gmail account. And then I simply click Change Email. On the confirmation dialog, click Yes, Change Email. Once your new email address is successfully created and associated with your Google account, you will get this confirmation message. As you can see here, your previous email address now becomes an alternate email. And one interesting thing to take note here is that if later on for some reason you wish to do so, you can still switch back to your previous email and make it your Google account email anytime you want. Now let me refresh my Gmail page to see if the new address has taken effect. As you can see here, if I compose a new email, the From field is already filled with my new email address. Alright, now let me sign out from my Gmail, which means I will also sign out from all Google apps on this web browser, and then sign in back with my new username. Alright, so that's how easy it is to change your Gmail address to a new one. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.